which is visible, at least at this point in time. There you go. We've opened. First rates coming on your screen. 24,280 is the rate we're looking at this point in time. We'll obviously wait for those rates to settle, but of course there are moves which are visible. And let's quickly pull up the Nifty movers. And from within the Nifty 50 pack, we're seeing not much in terms of the negative moves. The positive moves are on Bajaj Finance and Adani Enterprises. I wonder what an HDFC Bank is doing in trade this morning. HDFC Bank is mildly lower, 0.25% lower. It's very flat, frankly, in terms of the movers on the Nifty. 1% higher on Kotak is what we're seeing. I wonder what those bulk and block deal candidates are doing. ICICI Prudential AMC being one of them. The other one being I Finance. There you go, 5% knock on ICICI Prudential AMC as was anticipated. And I Finance also down 1.5%. We'll have to wait for confirmation as to whether those blocks are done or not, and I'll quickly check in with the team whether those blocks are done. So we'll have to wait and watch for that. But broadly, you're seeing negative on both of those names. Sugar stocks, I don't know if there's a move there as well. Let's pull out the likes of a Balrampur, the likes of a Dhampur, see whether there's any move on those. Sri Renuka is up 1%. Well, no real trend seen from within the sugar pack. IT seems to be doing okay, 0.5% higher on the Nifty IT index. Banks supporting the index at least today. ICICI Pru AMC is down 4%. Tata Power is down 3%. By the way, there's been an announcement, Singapore arbitration going negative for Tata Power, as a result of which you're seeing that knock on the stock. We'll get you more details on that one as well. 2% lower on Capri Global, 2.5% after the moves that we saw yesterday on Capri. Chalet, Paradeep Phosphates, Tata Motors CV are just some of the other losers from within the Nifty 500 basket. But in terms of the advanced decline, it's looking strong. More than 2:1 on the advanced decline, and that's what's keeping strength. 8% high on Bombay Burma. That one is perked up and doing well. Triveni Turbines is up 4.5% as well. Devyani is up 3.5% on the back of the announcement with regard to the Sapphire acquisition. Takes out a crucial overhang and ensures that the merger happens quicker than expected. GVTND is the other one, 3%, 3.5% higher. NetWeb up 3% as well. Welspun Corp, that one also doing well. I wonder what a Hindustan Copper is doing. If we can pull that one up, because you had some very strong retail interest, even though delivery would have happened today, only for the instis who would have bid for it yesterday or day before yesterday, because yesterday was a holiday in terms of delivery of stock, and therefore you're seeing the move today. But yesterday the stock was perked up for 4.5% as well. So Hindustan Copper was the other one which was in focus. You've got among sectors, and let me quickly take you through some of the big movers in terms of sectors. Pharma is the one which is doing okay, 0.5% higher on Pharma. All sectors in the green, by the way, so that's the other positive. 0.4% higher on metals. While all sectors in the green, you're not seeing any big moves. You know, that's what's really standing out in the market today. From within the Pharma pack, the movers are tilted towards Glenmark, Piramal and Divi's. Divi's on the back of yesterday's move is now up to 9,000 rupees a piece. So you're seeing a sharp kind of move on Divi's Labs. Zydus is the other one, which is actually doing fairly well for itself as well. Sun Pharma is up around 0.7% as well. So some good moves, and just the breadth aiding the Nifty Pharma index. That's how we're set up. Now, before I go on, let me go across to Kunal. Kunal, what are the initial views? The opening tick, what are you seeing?
It's a good start for the indices, because we are back again to that 24,300 hunt for the index. Good to see some follow through across sectors like metals, for example, are seeing some bit of follow through. Power stocks, that is something interesting, because I think 3 days back or 4 days back, I think it was Friday if I'm not wrong, or Monday start of this week, is where you're seeing many of the power stocks showing signs of a recovery or a breakout. So which means we could probably be sensing that power stocks as a sector could be something to watch out for. Financial services name, Bajaj Finance, etc., making a comeback. That's another positive to look out for. and the mid-cap IT theme, which we've been discussing, the likes of L&T Technology Services, etc., making a slight bit of a positive hint of an up move. So it looks to be quite an okay start. Let's see how the market pans out in the first half an hour, first 1 hour. That's the most crucial aspect. In terms of opening trade, I would look at defense stocks, Cochin Shipyard, something which looks attractive, just like Mascot Dock and other shipping names. This is the one which looks attractive on the short-term charts.